Welcome to Optimum Stream. In this video, we'll show you the basics of navigating Optimum TV and how to watch live TV with Optimum Stream. Turn on your Optimum Stream by pressing the power button on the remote. Anytime you want to get to Optimum TV, simply press the Optimum button on your remote, and you will automatically be watching live TV. At any time while watching live TV, you can press the Select button to bring up the menu at the top of the screen. This is where you will find Home, Guide, On Demand, Sports, DVR, and Preferences. You can use the navigation pad to move up, down, left, or right. Use the back button to go to the previous menu or screen. You can also use Google Assistant to open menus, go to a channel, or find a show. You can change the channel several ways. You can press the channel up or down button. You can enter a channel number by using the number buttons, or you can use your voice to ask Google Assistant for the channel name. While watching live TV, press down on the navigation pad for more options like record, restart, or subtitles. Press up for the show's progress bar to see where you are in the program you're watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you would like to watch our other Optimum Stream videos, check out optimum.net/streamwelcome.